Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info, and this video is going to be a navbar tutorial on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin! So, first of all, we can simply click once in order to enable our always on display, or click twice in order to enable our lock screen. And this panel right here is our navbar. If for some reason you don't see it, it may be because you have it disabled. So we want to go into settings, scroll down a little bit, go to lock screen and AOD, and you want to make sure that your navbar is indeed enabled, as it can be simply disabled. So now the now brief is basically personalized something. It is AI powered, it learns your behavior, you can basically click it. And when I click it and I draw my pattern, now I will get my now brief. So I can click this and, hey, that's a nice weather or something. But for me, that's pretty useless. And after you click it, I think it's like once a day or a few times a day. And now it's just gone. But if we go back to our settings here, we can see that we have live notifications. And we have a handy list of supported applications. I believe that this list will be extended, and some things are not available just yet, but for purpose of this video I'll be showing this on the voice recorder and the clock. So let's say I will go to my clock here, okay, and go to my stopwatch or timer or basically whatever we want. I will go to my stopwatch. And now I can simply press start. So as you can see now, I have this little icon here. And now it is basically just a notification. But if I will lock my screen and go now to my always on display or to my lock screen, I can see that stopwatch is indeed happening. And if we have two or more applications that are running at the same time, for example, now we'll play around with our voice recorder here. Oh, great. I don't think I care about that, So now we simply press record. We can allow the notifications, and now we are recording. And now if I will go back into my lock screen, you can see that we have a few different applications, and in order to swap between those, you simply press and hold up, or only press and hold up. And if you click it, a few applications have special buttons. So for example, I actually didn't want to do that. Let's lock again. The screen recorder, voice recorder, I'm sorry, has this option to just pause and unpause. And if we click it once, we can disable it completely, or hide it, or stop the recording. And if it's for some reason not working for you, for example, you don't see it on your AOD, and as you can see, we cannot change it, we cannot get more information, and we cannot swap between the applications and now always on display. So you want to make sure that, oh my goodness gracious. We want to make sure that we go to settings, and in here, in the always on display, that navbar is enabled, because if we disable it, and now this only is available in the lock screen, but it will be missing in the AOD itself. And that's really all there is to it. I'm pretty sure they will add more features into the navbar in the future, as the list of currently supported applications is indeed pretty small, but I'm pretty sure they will extend it one day. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. See you later.